Listing videos like area videos are not just about listing everything that's in the area. You can break it down into one theme or one subject. Today we took Kalk Bay and we looked at all the shopping opportunities, but there are also restaurants and adventure activities, and we kept those for a separate list. When you're doing your introduction, just let people know that that is what the theme of this video is going to be in one talk to camera shot, and then get one nice big wide static shot so that you can put a title or a logo over that.
We're in Kalk Bay and we're going to be joined by Colleen, who knows this area really well.
Hi there, yeah, I'm Colleen and I do know the area really well.
That concludes the introduction of the video. Next up, you move into the body of the video. The body of the video is made up out of 3 shots, a wide, medium and close-up for every place that you visit. One wide, one medium and one close-up at every location. The wide, very simply, stand and get a nice big wide shot of the area. 1, 2, 3, 4 and stop. The close-up will be of the sign itself, something like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the talking shot will be me holding the camera up and talking to camera like I am right now. Next up on the list is Kalk Bay Village Square, where they've got 3 different shops and a coffee shop right on the seafront. 3 shots done, moving on to the next one. Then to bring it all together, you're going to want to fill it in with creative shots. These are shots that link up all the pieces of the body so that it's not a static, repetitive video. You want to give it some dynamic.
It's beautiful.
So take opportunistic shots like this. Often things pop up that we didn't plan or have in our shot lists, and that's where you gotta just go grab the shot. These type of opportunistic shots are perfect to link together the pieces of the body that make the story. And also walking by shots. It's just fish puree there. At the end of the video, don't forget to give people a call to action. Do they need to subscribe or do they need to come and visit this place? Let people know what you want them to do. And you can end off with a nice static shot and a logo. So let us know what you want to see next.